So what is one thing you would like to do or choose or be or change or have this coming year that will work better because you are a stress ball? Did you know that there are actually tools, easy tools, simple tools that will mean you don't have to be a stress ball, you don't have to be a pregnant stress ball, you don't have to be a wishing you were pregnant stress ball or trying to be pregnant stress ball, or when will you not be pregnant anymore stress ball, or new mom stress ball, or new dad stress ball, or new anything stress ball? Did you know? Did you know that that isn't just how life is? I'm going to do a class this Sunday, January 9th. It's in the morning. It's via Zoom, so you can join me from anywhere in the world. An introduction to tools from Access Consciousness for stress relief. And these are the tools that actually work. So unless all of your intentions, resolutions, hopes and dreams, targets and goals for 2022 are based on being a stress ball, you might want to consider joining me.